A good looking widget is essential for the conversion. Also, it has to fit your corporate identity. Hi, I'm Daniel and today I want to show you how to set up the Let's Connect widget correctly. In the Web Connect section on the left side, just hit the Edit button. Here in the Edit button, like I already described the first page and how to integrate it in the other video, what's new is it is possible to set up a company name. This company name will be displayed inside the widgets to your website visitor. If you would leave this empty, we would automatically take the display name set in the company settings on the upper right corner. Let's switch to the display options. So here inside you see standard mode and the developer mode. The standard mode is I think the most common mode everybody's using. So here you can decide which style of your widget you want to have. Just a button or a button with a text in a speech bubble. You can choose between an old style in that way or a bit more fancy style in that way. Next is you can decide if it should be displayed left or right. And you also can say if you have chosen the normal button, if it should be a square button or just the normal ones. Let's decide we want to choose a new style in the bottom right corner. Second option is to choose between a video and an image, but this is just our default. So you're always possible that you are uploading your own media. As you see here, I have already uploaded a video here, but you also can decide that you choose just one image or video for every view. But you also can say you want to upload for every view your own media file. Let's say we have uploaded this video, and on this button, as you can see here, you can activate and deactivate the audio from the video. If you activate the video, the audio, then the video would be not in a loop. It will just play it once and at the end it stops. But this is a really nice option to welcome your website visitors, to offer the variety of your products, to describe your services, stuff like that. If you hit sound off, then the video would be played in a loop all the time. It's up to you how you want to prepare it. On the next page, as you can see here you have the options to choose between all text. You can set up emojis, you can choose different colors for the button, but also color for your widgets. You can activate a customizable button. Here with this customizable button, you can enter the text of the button here in the bottom, but you also can deactivate it. And you also can enter a URL. So with this URL, everybody who hits that button will be redirected to this URL. You also can choose the font color of the text and the button color or the icon color inside the buttons here. I think this is quite common and nothing special. On the next side, you can choose which request options you want to offer to your website visitors. So you can decide if you want to offer just one option or two options or all the three. So it's up to you. The session end screen is also quite nice. So everyone who was in a communication with one of your consultants, then they will see a thank you page. You can decide if you want to offer them also a lead form. So first of all, I think this is also again quite normal, quite common. You can change the design, the font color and the text again, and you can activate a feedback form and you can type in up to 3 different questions. Also here you can decide on the right side you see it, if the visitor is able to type in a own message. Last but not least, the contact form. So the contact form here, you will see as default a really long text. I would recommend to short it up a bit because nobody want to read a long text. So just say a small hi and that you're sorry that no one is available right now. Then again, colors can be changed. You can activate that the website visitor is able to book a meeting with you or one of your consultants or with the whole team. How this is gonna work, I will show up in the other video. As you see here, it's not activated right now, so I will show up. I will show you later in the other video how this works. Next is you can decide which fields should be displayed, and you can also say if these fields are recommended or if these fields are required or not required, and if the one should be shown up or not. You also can activate a privacy policy text with a checkbox and with a link here to your privacy policy, for example. Then we have a message send screen. You can show this in the preview as well. Again, you can change the text, the headline, and last but not least here, the lead form. So if nobody will answer after a certain amount of time, then this will be displayed directly inside the chat. So you can decide if it's the custom colors or the color style of your buttons and the whole widget, or if you want to show it as default, then it looks more like a chat message. Okay, that's all. Let's hit submit and let's test it out. Let's open the edit page again. I can copy the URL to my clipboard, or I just hit test your widget, and the widget will be open on the test website. And as you see here, this is how we prepared it with our uploaded video, and then you can try out everything you like before you are inserting it to your webpage. Thank you for joining us today and see you next time.